direct upload, 4K at 48 frames per second. We're with firmware 1.09.00.10, firmware 1.9. It's showtime! And I noticed the shutter speed automatically adjusts. And I think that's quite normal, because what's happening is DJI thinks they have a auto low light like GoPro. And they're trying to imitate them. They're trying to copy them. But they won't say it, and they can't say it. Well, we do not want to have that feature hunting, trying to adjust our video, because it changes the background, this and that. Well, that gets me thinking right now. Stop fish. Check one setting out. See if spot meter's on. And maybe that's ruining your shot. All the videos I just made, oh yeah, man, even that lag, it sucks when I look at the screen. Don't look at the screen. The Nemo app is not used, and I noticed on the app we have 1 or 2 additional things we could set up. Spot meter and auto overexposure. Now, when you have that not set on the app, it's not going to be set on the camera. But if it's set on the app, does that run the camera, keep it on there until the camera's off? So that got me thinking, hey, fish, can you get into the camera to see if you got spot meter on? I don't see it. I'm with the Sonova microphone, and it's windy. I have a little mic muff on there, and that's disabled. You don't have the gain control on the camera, but you have it on the app. So the app, the latest app and so forth, it's got its ups and it's got its downs, as well as the camera itself. And you hear me complaining about right now that why is my shutter automatically going up and down? I thought maybe that's an issue. To me, it is an issue with me. That's my problem, not yours. And you now have to decide if that problem's going to be yours if you update to firmware 1.90. If you keep to firmware 1.08, do yourself a favor, look at the app, record, take the app, or you take yourself and start to move around a little and watch. The app changed from 1/60th, 1/80th to 1/20th of a shutter speed. Let me know if it adjusts. I would like to hear your thoughts on that, so that I could confirm I am not the only one with the issue. Maybe that you are with the issue as well. Well, I said a lot, I talked a lot, I did a lot, I go a lot. I'm going to say goodbye now. I'm not even sure if I even want to put this video up. It's just yipping and yapping talk. What happened to my screen? Why did it go to the back? Man. I want to thank everybody for watching the video. If I see me talking, I added music to it. They're just sample shots. And testing out firmware 1.09 and the shutter speed, why it's automatically adjusting by itself. Never going to figure that out. So on that note, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing. Please rate, comment, show that love. I'll see you all later. I can't do that. You know, hey, tip my hat off to you all that stopped by and gave a comment, showed that love. Have a great day. Catch you on many videos to come.